सब लोग अमन को बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोलेंगे. अमन, एंजॉय, बाय. Good morning, everybody. So, Aman has left right now to go and scuba dive. I am at home. मैंने क्या scuba diving करना है mainly because पानी से डर लगता है. Actually पानी से डर नहीं लगता, but deep ocean is something that I'm scared of. तो भाई से नहीं होता, obviously. So, this morning we have it to ourselves. It's just me. मैं बैठ के अपने नए जूते निहार रहा था. These are the new shoes, by the way. Found these very pretty. Anyway, अब प्लान ये है कि भाई जाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. Once we have done breakfast, उसके बाद आई थिंक जब तक हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह होगा सब होगा तब तक आई थिंक अमन भी आ ही जाएगा. So yeah, that is the plan for right now. Firstly, go and grab breakfast. So I booked a grab, heading out to a place called Livingstone, just like a cafe. So yeah, that's the breakfast spot for today. मैं कैफे अभी काफ़ी small quaint place, very light, not a lot of people right now, actually a lot of people right now, but yeah, I've ordered my breakfast, just waiting for it to arrive. Got back home. अब हमारे पास काफ़ी टाइम है तो आई थिंक मैं अब करूँगा टाइम पास. तो we have been in Indonesia for almost 2 weeks now, and this is our very last day here right at Bali. We have to catch a flight tomorrow which takes us back home to Mumbai, but yeah, this segment will be me talking about the whole trip and how I'm feeling really nice about the entire thing and how grateful I am. So yeah, that's about it. So the entire reason why this trip happened was actually because of Dua Lipa. So Aman and I wanted to watch Dua Lipa, and the countries that we wanted to go to were either Singapore or Japan. But financially, Jakarta made most sense to us, so we decided that we're going to go to Jakarta. And while we were in Indonesia, why not just go around and see Bali and other places here? So we decided to come to Bali, and we decided to come to Indonesia and just have fun. Yeah. Abhi you must be thinking, "Bhai, this is so very sad because Dua Lipa got cancelled in Jakarta." Well, it did get cancelled, and we were really, really sad about it. But to be honest, even though Dua Lipa was cancelled, we found a lot of ways to just have fun in Jakarta. Jakarta overall was a really, really fun experience. We made quite a lot of local friends on our last day in Jakarta, and we just did a lot of city things. And overall, I think even though the concert got cancelled, Jakarta was overall a very great experience. After Jakarta, we came straight to Bali. We had our plans. Our plans were already sorted for Bali as well. For Bali, we were pretty sure that we were going to go to Bali. We were going to stay in Bali, and then we were also going to go and visit a lot of islands that are nearby. And we did visit Mount Bromo, but a small hiccup happened, and we could not visit Labuan Bajo. Well, Labuan Bajo is a island, or famously known as the Komodo Island. Thanks to volcanic activities, we could not go to Labuan Bajo as well. But koi baat nahi, because well, I told you this trip was full of roller coasters and hiccups. So we just treated this as one of our hiccup. Had to cancel a lot of things. Had to cancel our hotel bookings. Had to cancel. Flight got cancelled. Luckily, we have an insurance, so hopefully everything gets sorted pretty easily. But yeah, took some beating financially as well. But I think whatever time we were here in Bali, which we could not stay in Labuan Bajo, I think we made the most out of it, and which I'm really happy about because when something of this sort happens on the very last day, I think that that pulls you down a bit, that demotivates you, especially when you're on a vacation traveling internationally. But I realized that कि इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Bali in itself is a very beautiful place to come and visit, and we decided to just make the most out of our time here, and that is what we have been doing so far. Well, in Bali we spent most of our days in Ubud, which is probably the best place to stay at, because over there is probably the best climate that you'll find. A lot of nature over there. Yeah, and Ubud in general had a lot of activities to do. We did the ATV ride, we went to waterfalls, had amazing food. Even though we did not eat a lot of Indonesian, because thoda desi hai, and Indonesian food did not suit us quite well. Also vegetarian or vegetarians for this trip, so yeah, I mean, your options are very slim, but still, you make the most out of whatever you have. Then we came to Canggu and we lived in Canggu, and Canggu was all about just going around places, walking on the streets, exploring markets, hitting the beach, I think. No, we didn't go to beach in Canggu, we went to beach in Kuta or Seminyak, which is where we are right now. So last 2 days are supposed to be in Seminyak. We had the best, probably one of the best days of this trip yesterday when we were on the beach. Also did quite a bit of shopping. काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही shopping करी सबके लिए. But I'm really happy that we in general got a lot of stuff which we really liked and really wanted to get for our loved ones. So yeah, if you are getting a gift, there is a good chance कि वो यहाँ से भी हो सकता है. So yeah, we spent quite a lot of time here in Seminyak, and I think overall Seminyak itself is also a really quite place to be in. So if you are coming to Bali, come stay in Ubud for the longest amount of time, and then when you feel like, oh, you're done with nature and you really want to come and party, I think Canggu and Seminyak is a place to be. There's also a place called as Uluwatu, which is something that we missed on because it was quite a bit far and we were 2 people who were traveling with scooties. So yeah, I think we also went around places in Denpasar. So I think that summarizes the whole Bali trip that we had. I don't think I have summarized it very well, but जो भी था भाई यही था. Overall, we had a lot of fun, and we still have this day, so we're gonna have fun today as well. क्योंकि मस्ती रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Yes sir. I know that a lot of people are not going to watch all of these videos. I mean, if you watch even a couple of these, I'm really glad that you did. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not a professional vlogger or anything. I'm an amateur guy who just likes to film everything. So yeah, that was this entire journey, and I'm just really grateful that I got to do this trip. I'm really glad that I got to do this with one of my closest friends. I would really love to do international trip with all of my friends, with my entire group, so that you folks can see how we are in person and what activities we do. But yeah, I think that would be a really fun thing to do. Just traveling with the boys and just having fun someday. And yeah, I think the people that I'm most thankful to or grateful for are my parents, because without them I don't think I would ever be here or doing what I'm doing today. Just in general in life, I think they have raised me very well. I think I hope I'm doing justice to what they have taught me in life, but I'm just really grateful and thankful for the fact that they have always been supportive of everything that I've done in life. My career choices weren't the most linear, I would say. I went around experimenting a lot and reached a certain point, and they've always been supportive in that. They've always had my back, and I'm just really glad and grateful that they are there. I don't think I'll ever be able to repay them for everything that they have done. They have always been there for me. They have always been supportive. They were supportive of this trip that I was taking. They were completely okay and encouraging of the fact that I was going off the grid for around 2 weeks. But yeah, I think I'll never ever be able to repay them for whatever they have done. I'm just really grateful and thankful for the fact that I have such amazing parents. And I'm also really grateful for the fact that I have a friend group that has always been there. Obviously, there are ups and downs in friend groups as well, but overall I would say I have a pretty solid group of friends and people that I know and I love. So yeah, I think this was the part where I was being really grateful for this trip, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think now I'm gonna go take a dip in the pool, क्योंकि मैं बहुत देर से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. अब मेरा मन है पूल में जाने का, क्योंकि हमने पे किया इसके लिए, तो हम पैसा वसूलेंगे. But yeah, really grateful for everything that I have today. Really grateful for where I'm at today. Thank you parents, thank you mom dad, love you so much. And yeah, अमन एक दिन पिटेगा, उसको पता नहीं है बात, but वो एक दिन पिटेगा. Let the vlog be known.
Exhausted as fuck right now.
क्या करके आए?
Diving करके आया. I was face to face with death.
ऐसा?
Lionfish थी एक पानी में. That came really close. Too close for comfort.
ऐसा? बट तू जिंदा है?
मैं जिंदा हूँ.
श्या.
पैनिक मस्त हुआ था जब स्टार्टिंग में गया था पानी के अंदर. I couldn't breathe, was hyperventilating, then came back to the surface. फिर थोड़ा बहुत सीखा ऐसे दिस टेक्निक.
ऐसा?
फिर पानी के अंदर गए, थोड़ा सा कोरल्स वगैरह एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था, तब अचानक से एक लायन फिश ऐसे निकल के आई पानी के अंदर. उससे जस्ट पहले, पानी में घुसने से जस्ट पहले मैंने पूछा इंस्ट्रक्टर से कि नीचे कुछ ऐसे डेंजरस चीज़ तो नहीं है. बोला नो डेंजर्स, क्यूट फिशेस. लायन फिश नॉट क्यूट. It doesn't even look cute. मतलब that thing looks like it can kill you, and it can kill you.
Definitely. अपना भाई आ गया है मासा कराने. बेस्ट ऑफ लक भाई विद द मासा. भाई टूट चुके हैं पूरा ऊपर से नीचे, तो भाई कर रहे हैं मासा.
क्योंकि ऐसी एक्टिविटीज करी है.
Masa. Might recognize this place from yesterday. I'm back at Arabica because Aman is busy taking a massage right now. So I thought I'll utilize this time to have some coffee and eat something. मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं था. I'm just waiting for my coffee right now. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा अमन के लिए भी ले जाएंगे. मसाज हो जाएगी उसके बाद तो. The most comfortable place to be sitting and having coffee. I have like a full lounge situation and I am sitting outside. I think this, मतलब अंदर जगह नहीं थी, but this couldn't get any better. I'm happy. This is literally where I am sitting and having coffee. I just saw बारिश now. That's it. हमन के लिए कॉफ़ी उठा लिया. Arabica, you have shook my world. Also beach walk is very pretty. अब हम जा रहे हैं अमन के पास क्योंकि उसकी मसाज हो गई होगी अभी तक. यप.
सोया हूँ मैं. That was life changing. मैजिक. सो गया था मैं मस्त एकदम. मेरे को उठाना पड़ा उनको, उठ जब हो गया टाइम.
नैप लेके आए भाई मसाज कराने के नाम पे. Alright everybody, welcome back to the vlog. This is our last day, very last day in Bali. We are currently headed out to Mumbai, back to Mumbai. This was our very last day in Bali and this is also the end of our vlog and the videos and the Indonesia series.
The intro is the outro.
The intro is the outro. How would you like to rate this trip?
11 on 10.
11 on 10 बोल this. 11 on 10.
Actually 11 on 9.
11 on 9 बोल this. 9-11 ही बोल देता है क्या बहुत. Anyway, a very good trip.
बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेजी एडवेंचर कर लिया है. सब कुछ दर्द कर रहे हैं.
अब कल रात को जितनी भयंकर पार्टी की उतना ही भयंकर सोएंगे अब हम फ्लाइट.
एट दिस पॉइंट मेरा कैमरा ऑन होते ही मेरे को बासी आने लगती है.
अब सोएंगे बस बैठ के. अब बस सोएंगे.
And that's it. Thank you
एकदम
folks for watching.
भयंकर सी ऑल
एकदम comfy ready एकदम. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to these videos. If you ever saw this, thank you for everything. मम्मी पापा की जय और हम जा रहे हैं back. Outro music.